So example 4, we want to find f prime of x if f of x is equal to 1 over the cube root of x squared plus x plus 1. So the first thing we need to do is we need to rewrite f of x. And so f of x is going to equal the quantity x squared plus x plus 1 to the power of negative 1/3, because we're going to rewrite it to the numerator. Okay, and so now we want to find the derivative of this function. So keep in mind here that if we want to find a derivative of this function, okay, we need to find the derivative on the inside. So remember that the inside function u is going to equal g of x, which is equal to x squared plus x plus 1. And then we can say that u prime or g prime of x is going to equal 2x plus 1. Okay, and then we also know that n is equal to negative 1/3. So now we're going to plug it into that formula. So to find f prime of x, okay, that's going to equal n times g of x to the power of n minus 1 times g prime of x. So we know that n represents negative 1/3. We know g of x is equal to x squared plus x plus 1. We know that n is negative 1/3, and we're going to subtract 1. So we're going to subtract 3 over 3. And then we're going to multiply it by g prime of x, which we know is 2x plus 1. So we can then determine that the derivative of this function is going to equal negative 1/3 times x squared plus x plus 1 to the power of negative 4/3 times 2x plus 1. Therefore, there is a derivative of that function.